Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the ninth tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to check out the precedence of style rules in CSS. So the document that I have here is very similar to the file that we used in the last tutorial. I made a couple of modifications. This one's called style underscore overriding.html, and we are also going to use the css underscore master.css file that we used in the last tutorial. So the rule that I have here is the same as I had in the last tutorial. I have applied two style rules to the H2 and H3 level headings. So I've changed the font style to italic, and I've changed the color of the text to blue. Now in this file I have added a style tag, right? So I have an external style sheet which has a couple of rules, but I have also added a style rule in the style section within the head section of this document. So I've changed the color of the text for the H2 level headings to orange, and then within the body section I also have an inline rule. So for the H3 level headings I've changed the color to green through an inline style rule that you can see on line number 15, right? So what's going to happen is this rule is going to take the highest precedence, I mean the inline style rule that I have on line number 15, right? And then this rule is going to take the next precedence, and that is going to be followed by the style rules that I have in the external document, right? So the highest priority is enjoyed by the inline style rules, followed by the style rule that you mentioned within your style tags, followed by the style rules if you have an external style sheet, that is that enjoys the lowest priorities. So I'll save this file and I'll go to the folder in which I have it, and it's called style underscore overriding or something. So here's the document. I'll double click on it and this is what I see. So I didn't apply any style rule to the level 1 heading, so that's why it's appearing in black, and I didn't apply any style rule to the level 4 heading either, so this one's also appearing in black. But the level 2 and level 3 headings are showing interesting formatting. So this one is being displayed in orange, and that's because I used the style section to implement a style rule for the H2 level headings, and this one is being displayed in green because I had an inline style rule for this particular heading, right? So if suppose in the document I remove this style rule, if I save the file and if I refresh in the browser, then the H2 level heading should change to blue, and that's what's happening. And this is because now this heading is being styled as per the rule that we have in the external style sheet, right? So this is a very important concept. If suppose you have an external document and you do not want to make modifications to it because it's inconvenient or for whatever reasons, you can make changes within your HTML document to certain elements. So you could use class selectors, or you could use inline style rules to make some changes and not affect the master document that you have. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care.